Keeping your workout space spotless is essential for both hygiene and safety. In this guide, we'll help you find the best mop for rubber gym floor, ensuring your fitness area stays clean, slip-free, and ready for your next session. Number 1. Ocedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop. The Ocedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop is an excellent option for anyone looking for the best mop for rubber gym floor surfaces. This mop and bucket system stands out primarily for its impressive ability to remove over 99% of bacteria using just water. That feature alone makes it an ideal choice for fitness spaces where hygiene is a priority, without relying on harsh chemicals. The Easywring system includes a built-in wringer, which allows for hands-free operation, and its splash guard design keeps dirty water contained in the bucket during wringing or transportation. What really makes this mop a solid option for gym floors is its deep cleaning microfiber head, which uses millions of tiny strands to trap dust, dirt, and grime efficiently. The microfiber head is safe for all hard surfaces, including laminate, vinyl, tile, wood, and particularly rubber floors, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning tools. The mop head itself is washable and reusable, adding value and convenience. A unique feature is the patented triangular mop head, which rotates a full 360 degrees. This allows it to easily clean hard-to-reach spots like corners, under workout benches, and along baseboards. For those managing home gyms or commercial fitness centers, this flexibility is crucial. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design, including an extendable handle, make it easy to adjust for different users and spaces. One small drawback is that it relies on a bucket system, so it's not as portable as spray or dry mops. But the hands-free wringing feature offsets this by minimizing mess and effort. Number 2. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. Though designed primarily for hardwood, the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop works surprisingly well as one of the best mop options for rubber gym floor cleaning. Its simple spray and wipe operation makes it especially convenient for those who need to clean up after workouts quickly. The mop features an extra-large cleaning pad, which covers more ground with each swipe, about 40% faster than many competing models. This feature is a game-changer in gym settings where large, open floor areas need regular, efficient cleaning. The mop includes a refillable cleaner cartridge, offering the flexibility to use Bona's own cleaner or a custom rubber floor-safe solution. This allows gym owners and homeowners alike to tailor their cleaning routine without worrying about floor damage. The mop uses a residue-free, fast-drying solution that's both biodegradable and water-based. Formulated without harsh chemicals like ammonia, formaldehyde, or added dyes, it's a safe, eco-conscious choice for areas where people may be working out barefoot or where pets might roam. Its plant-based formula contains 95% USDA-certified bio-based content, meeting stringent EPA standards for safety and environmental impact. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the handle and spray trigger ensures a comfortable grip and easy operation, making quick cleanups a breeze. While it lacks a wringer system or a replaceable bucket, its lightweight design and built-in spray feature more than compensate, offering high mobility and convenience. The pH-neutral formulation is gentle on surfaces, preventing discoloration or surface wear, a crucial factor when maintaining the integrity of rubber gym flooring. Number 3. Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. The Siga Professional Microfiber Mop earns a solid spot among the best mop options for rubber gym floor maintenance. Built with durability and versatility in mind, this mop features a sturdy stainless steel handle and a durable plastic frame, designed to handle both residential and commercial cleaning jobs. It comes with 3 reusable microfiber cloths and a dirt removal scrubber, making it well-equipped for heavy-duty cleaning sessions in gyms or fitness studios. What makes this mop particularly valuable for rubber gym floors is its microfiber cleaning pads, known for their superior dirt trapping and dust-attracting capabilities. These microfiber pads effortlessly lift dust, dirt, and grime off rubber flooring without scratching or damaging the surface, a major requirement for preserving the appearance and integrity of workout areas. The 15-inch by 5-inch wide mop pad, combined with a clip-on fabric design, allows for efficient coverage, making it easy to clean large areas quickly. Its 360-degree maneuverable swivel head is another standout feature. This swivel function enables the mop to glide around gym equipment, along baseboards, and under benches with ease. The telescopic handle is adjustable and uses a double lock system, ensuring it stays firmly in place while you mop. This adjustable height feature reduces the need for bending, providing a comfortable cleaning experience for users of all heights. The mop's versatility extends beyond gym floors, as it can also be used on tile, marble, laminate, and wood floors. One potential limitation is that it's not a spray mop, so users will need a separate spray bottle or bucket, but its sturdy, adaptable design makes up for it. Number 4. Yocada Sponge Mop. The Yocada Sponge Mop brings a slightly different approach to maintaining rubber gym floors, thanks to its super absorbent honeycomb sponge head. This mop is well suited for those who frequently deal with spills, sweat, and general gym floor maintenance. Its sponge head is designed with a honeycomb structure, which boosts absorbency and breathability while drying quickly to prevent lingering moisture on rubber surfaces. This feature is essential in fitness spaces, where damp floors can lead to slips or bacterial growth. The Yocada mop includes 2 sponge heads, one pre-installed and a spare, which is a handy inclusion for high-traffic cleaning environments. Another feature worth noting is the adjustable iron handle, which extends from 42.5 inches to 52 inches, allowing users to customize the length based on their preference, reducing strain and making the mop accessible for different users. The built-in water squeegee is a thoughtful touch, helping to remove excess liquid and dirt in one swift motion, which is particularly useful for sweat puddles or accidental spills on rubber floors. The mop head attaches securely to the handle via an iron clamp system, and while this requires a bit of manual effort, it ensures a firm, wobble-free connection during use. Number 5. Cleanhome Dust Mops for floor cleaning. The Cleanhome Dust Mop is a top pick for anyone looking for the best mop for rubber gym floor spaces that require both wet and dry cleaning. This mop combines a generously sized 39-inch by 8.5-inch microfiber mop pad with a telescopic handle that extends from 50-inch to 59, making it ideal for large workout areas and commercial gyms. The microfiber mop pad is soft, highly absorbent, and excellent at capturing dust, hair, and small debris without scratching or damaging rubber flooring. Its versatility in handling both dry sweeping and wet mopping makes it particularly valuable in gym environments where quick transitions between cleaning tasks are often needed. One of its standout features is the flexible 360-degree rotating mop head, which provides excellent maneuverability around gym equipment, under benches, and along wall edges. This ensures no sweat puddle or dust ball gets left behind. The lightweight, rust-proof metal pole adds durability without making the mop heavy or cumbersome, which is especially helpful when cleaning large areas or reaching into tight corners. The heavy-duty stitching on the mop head improves its durability, making it suitable for frequent use in both home and commercial settings. The mop's washable and reusable microfiber pads help reduce long-term cleaning costs, making it an eco-friendly and economical option. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.